Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Marlene. I go short by Mar and also Glamurdayz on Instagram and obviously here in my channel. So today I am going to be doing the unboxing for the Boxy charm box. I'm also going to be doing this look that you see here. So if you want to go ahead and watch the demo on this makeup, just continue watching. Alright, so this box is $21 a month, I believe. Yes, it is. It's $21 a month. And you get between 5 to 6 products. Normally in the beginning of the month, they give you 3 sneak peeks, so you do know exactly what they're gonna send you. But the other 2 items, they won't tell you what it is until like someone posts it, and then obviously you know what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box and show you guys everything that's in here. This is the Rock 2018 box, and it's the Rock and Roll Soul. In the back of this card, it tells you everything that you purchase, and I'll tell you everything that we have, so that way you know. Lola, stop jumping. So the first thing that they put in here is the Dr. Brandt Pore No More Illuminator Primer. And this itself is $38. And basically, if you ever, decide to repurchase this, just know that you got it for less than what its original price is, and you only paid $21 for the box. So that itself paid for the box, if that makes sense. So we got that. The next thing we got, it's the IT Cosmetics Brow Powder Universal Eyebrow Pencil. This itself is $24. So right here, and we have the color Universal Taupe. The next thing we got, this is the Crown Pro Glam Metals Palette, and this itself was $25. And this is from Crown. And then the next thing is the Pure the Complexion Bronze and Brightening Cheek Palette, and this itself was $34. This one looks like this. The cosmetics. Okay, and last but not least, we have the Galactic Matte Lip Paint, and this is in the color Dumare. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. That's the name. And this is the color. And as you can tell, alright, so we'll start with the face. So we have the Pores No More Illuminating Primer, and this is by Dr. Brandt. So now we're going to go in with the palette, and I'm going to be using the same brush, and I'm going to pick up this color right here. So now that we got this brownish bronzy color, we're gonna go ahead and add this one right here, which is Rock On. And it's like an olivey tone, and we're gonna go ahead and put it right here. And I'm using my finger to apply it. And then just grab that same brush and blend the edges. I'm gonna get this brush right here. This is an equal tool brush. I don't know which one it is, but it's that one. We're gonna go in with some water. This is the Avion water spray. Oh, if you wet them, then they come out better. We shall leave it there. I'll come back to the eyes. I'm gonna put foundation. Okay, so I'm back with my face halfway beat. Ooh, girl. Okay. So the next thing we got is this Pure Bronze and Brighter. Look how pretty these colors are. So pretty. I'm scared. Okay, and I'm going to be using a Luxie brush. This is in 512. It looks like this. Okay. And I'm going to pick up this little bronzer right here. And a little bit goes a long way, remember that? And I'm gonna pick up this Wet n Wild brush. I don't know if it's a powder brush, but I'm gonna use it as a highlighting brush. I mean, blush brush. And we're gonna pick up this one right here. Oh shit. Whoa, that's pretty. Look how pretty these cheeks look. They're a little bit everywhere, but they're cute. This is just my foundation brush. And I'm guessing this is the highlighter. I'm gonna show you guys these swatches. This one. This one. one and this one. Look at that. Look at that. Like, I didn't know you get down like that. I'm scared to put that later, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna pick up this Real Techniques multitasking brush. It looks like this. And we're gonna go in. First, let me set this a little bit. Some water. Ready? Oh my goodness. No mames, parezco una glazed donut over here. I look like a glazed donut. This is like, excuse me ma'am, do you see that light? I mean stop, don't go. Damn, Gina. Pure Cosmetics, you do your thing here, man. You do your thing. These are fucking bomb. So bomb. Damn, and it's pigmented too. Yeah. Alright, ¿qué más tengo que hacer? Because I'm like losing control now. Oh yes, the palette. Back to the palette. For the inner corner, I'm gonna get Rebel and I'm gonna put it right in the inner corner. No, I think I'm gonna do Pop Rock. Let's swatch. What do you guys think? Este o este? Este o este? I think I'm gonna go with Pop Rock. That's pretty. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of brown shadow to do my lower eyelashes, sorry. Alright. Smoky eye as fuck. And get any black eyeliner and just, you know what to do, put it under your eyelashes, arriba y abajo, pa centro y pa adentro. Next, what we're gonna use is gonna be this brow powder, and this is the Universal Taupe. I hope it suits my eyebrows, because if it doesn't, we won't have a problem. I'm just kidding. I probably will. So this product is really good. I just wish it was a little bit darker, because I like my eyebrows really dark. That's just my preference, but the product is pretty bomb. So how do I flick big hair up? So I have the Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint, and this is in the color Demour. It's like this. Galactic, and then the color is right here. Demour. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Let's get this. It's a truly tall. Ooh. Whoa. These are super smooth. I like it. Alright, I overdrew my lips just a little too much, but I'm not mad. This is bomb. Alright. That was bomb. Let's go ahead and set the base con agua. So that is it, you guys. This is the full subscription for BoxyCharm. I know there is a wait list right now, so I hope that once the wait list advises you and they send you an email that it's open, I suggest you take it and you get on the wagon with the subscription. It is so bomb, you guys. And I noticed that you guys actually want me to continue doing the BoxyCharm subscription unboxing plus demo. So if you guys want me to go ahead and continue doing them, please make sure to like the video, obviously. But you guys, I'm gonna get going already. It is 12:57 and I'm tired, and I still need to do one more look, so wish me luck. But I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.